Hello, friends. So today we'll discuss how to generate a multivariate normal distribution in R. So let's proceed. First of all, to generate a multivariate normal distribution, the question comes to mind: why do we need to generate these multivariate distribution? So the answer is when we do work in finance and economy, sometimes we work for different markets or different places at the same time. Suppose like spot market and futures market. If we try to simulate return for both the markets at a time with certain correlation, variance, covariance, then we require to generate uh, for simulation purpose multivariate normal distribution. So in R there is a package Mars. You have to just go and install the package Mars. Then we'll proceed for this. So after having this package, first of all, what we need to know for any distribution, we need to have mu and then sigma. So like suppose I want to generate data here for two markets, simply two markets, spot and futures market. So there are two variables. So we have a vector of mu, that is 2 and 3. In this case, it is not standard normal distribution. It is a normal distribution having a mu and sigma. It is not standard normal. Okay. So here the mu is having for one market it is 2 and for another it is 3. And so first we need to create a mu matrix. Oh, sorry, here it is a vector, a mu for two markets, two mu's. uh, First is mu 1 is 2 and mu 2 is 2. So to generate it, so now here we can see at values of this environment, mu is equal to 2 and 3. In the same way, we can create a sigma matrix, but keep in mind, when you generate variance covariance matrix, it should be positive, definite, symmetric matrix. Okay, so here I am generating the matrix uh, in such a way. This is the arguments. This is the way we write. Like sigma is the matrix of 9666 of 2 by 2. This 2 is for row and this 2 is for column. So it is 2 by 2 matrix. So I am creating sigma matrix. Now sigma matrix we have. So we have mu and sigma. So one thing now we require is only number of observations we require. So here we can say I have taken R 0.5, variance 9, it is 9, and variance of 2 is 16, and covariance is 6. Covariance is nothing but R multiplied by sigma 1 multiplied by sigma 2. It is 6 here. So number of variable is here is like it is taking from order of this matrix. It's 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so we are having two variable with certain number of observations. So here now I am giving the command. I am generating variables. This is the name of the file I am generating, and the command is mvr norm. Number of observations is 1000. This is mu and sigma. Okay, now I'm running it. Run. So now we have two variables having 1000 observations with mu and sigma, that is predefined by us. So now we can see what is the head and tail. First head, run. This is the head of the variables like 1 to 6, and this is tail of variables. This is 995 to 1000. So it is very easy, isn't it?